Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're checking an air conditioning system. And the homeowner, which is a repeated customer, called us that it's not cooling. So we came out and we found that the outdoor unit would turn on, and we noticed that it started to freeze over. So we came inside and found that the blower motor is not working properly here for this variable speed unit. So I've got here. That's the motor. It should be on. You get a humming noise, but it's not working like it should. So see here, get some light in here. There you go. It's going really slow. So we need a new motor for this year. Okay. Once we get that in there, machine will be working fine, and we'll have another happy customer. Okay, thanks guys. See you in the next video. You call us at 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532, and website is www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video.